Hey there, it's Todd, and let's talk about coverage and how that pertains to shooting video. Now, unless you're shooting a live event like a birthday party or a baseball game, you're going to probably shoot your scenes more than once. And when you do film it again, you'll most likely shoot it or cover it from different angles. Those different angles or compositions of the same scene are your coverage. Your basic coverage should include a wide shot, a medium shot, and a close-up shot. Each one of those is going to be important to help you tell your story. A wide shot helps to inform the audience of where the scene is taking place. A medium shot helps to inform the audience who the scene is about. And then a close-up helps to inform the audience the emotion or the feeling of characters in that scene. So be sure to cover your scene or shoot a variety of coverage so that you have the most amount of options when you eventually go to edit your video. I always like to have more options even if I don't end up using them. Now there are definitely more options when it comes to coverage. You could do extreme close-ups, you could do an ultra wide, you can do an over the shoulder. But get familiar with these basics, the wide, the medium, and the close-up, and then you can move on to more complicated coverage techniques. Now obviously, rules are meant to be broken, but master these basic rules and then you can start bending them. And with that being said, if you want to learn more in-depth information about this subject or just shooting video in general, check out the Fronos Photo Guide to Shooting Video. I teamed up with Jared Poland from Fronos Photo to create over 6 hours of educational video about everything shooting video. And the best part is that once we show you all the ins and outs on how to shoot video, we take you on 4 real-world video shoots and show you how to shoot a music video, a commercial, a short film, and even a YouTube video. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, go check it out at fronosphoto.com/video and check it out for yourself. And you can take advantage of an exclusive discount just for you.